Gold against US dollar this week has dropped significantly, and we can see a pretty strong bearish candle formed on the chart where the price has gone below 2388, 2359 and 2334 support levels. Weekly time frame shows us a pretty strong bearish engulfing candle formed on the chart where the price has gone from 2450 all-time high price level, returning all the way back down to the support level. And the monthly time frame shows us currently we are at the end of the month, so it is a still bullish candle formed on the chart, but we have 5 more days to see how this month will close. Will the price stay where the price currently is, or it will continue to fall down even more, going below 2300, a support level, which is also a very important one, 2284, just slightly below that. On the monthly time frame, we cannot make any conclusions, at least for now, because we have a strong bullish candle with a large wick and a little bit smaller body, but until the month closes, we cannot say anything. In the previous month, we had similar scenario where with a strong wick and a smaller body, but the price continued to rise in value. Weekly time frame shows us a pretty strong bearish signal. It is a bearish engulfing candle formed on the chart right at the very important resistance level where the price has gone all the way back down. So it is indication for me that the price is trying to return all the way back down to 2300, a very important support level on the all time frames. Daily time frame shows me that we have currently a bearish breakout because the price has gone below very critical level 2334. We can see that in the past. And the price on a Friday could not manage to return back up, which could make this bearish breakout as a failed one at this support level. This is indication for me that the price will try to continue to fall down even more all the way up to here, which is the first support level around this area from 2320 and 2314. A small support level before the price reached this area where this demand zone around 2300.40. This is what I can see currently on the market, but maybe the price return is also above, making a bullish breakout, returning above and continue to rise in value. But for now, I am more inclined to see the price even going down, and then we'll see what happens around this support level. This is something that I will watch on the daily basis and share more information with the traders inside the Telegram group. This is all for this week. See you next time and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.